Okay. Oh, where do we begin? Okay, I'm gonna start. That's not that was disgusting. Thank you, Heather and Jason. I have roaches in my damn computer. Hold on. Okay. Alright, let's see. Today I'm going to attempt to upgrade my processor from an AMD Athlon X2 2.4 gigahertz processor to a Athlon X2 3 gigahertz processor. I can get this plug to come off. Come on. Well, it looks like I had that plugged in wrong. That was confusing. Well, don't know if you can tell, but if you look right here where the CPU fan plug-in is, I have where you can plug in a 4-pin or the regular 3-pin connector. Now let's see if I can figure out how I'm going to get this off. Alright, well, first of all, probably, yeah, that'll do it. That'll loosen it. And then push it over that way. And okie dokie. That's scary. That's really scary. I pulled the whole thing out. Oh well. Anyway, get some of the dust out of here. As you can tell, I haven't done too much with the processor. This was the processor that I got with it when I bought the computer. And we're going to set that over here, and we're now going to get our new processor. Okay. Now the trick here is always touch it by the sides. You don't want to touch these pins, and you want to, if you can see, where is it? Right here we have a little triangle, and we have a triangle on the socket in the motherboard, and we get those two to line up. And then you just kind of drop it in place. It's in there. Now you take your lever, push it down, which will lock it into place. Now right now, I would put your thermal compound on, but since I bought a new CPU cooler, as you can tell, it already came with the thermal paste already applied. And by the way, this is also the stock cooler for this processor. You could go with a aftermarket cooler if you want, but I figured I'd just try this one first just to see how it worked out. So what I gotta do is we're gonna take the cover off, and as before, see, this one is a 4-pin connector while my old one was just a 3. So it doesn't matter which direction that the cooling fan goes as long as your locking mechanism lines up with the 2 ends on either side. And what you do is you are going lock it down, and as you can see, it's not going anywhere. Okay, and we're going to take and